Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Imagine waking up every day, helping people feel less stressed, more focused, and truly happy. Imagine running a business where your job is to bring peace into people's lives while making great money. That's exactly what a mindfulness and meditation coaching business does. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree, and you don't need years of experience. You just need to learn the right techniques, create a business plan, and start helping people right away. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own mindfulness and meditation coaching business from scratch, even if you've never coached anyone before. Let's start with why this is a great business. Right now, people are more stressed than ever. They're overworked, anxious, and overwhelmed. They're looking for ways to relax, clear their minds, and find balance. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices help people slow down, focus on the present, and take control of their emotions. Companies are also realizing that stress hurts productivity, so they're investing in meditation programs for their employees. This means there's a huge demand for mindfulness coaches, and that demand is only going to grow. So how do you get started? First, you need to decide who you want to help. Are you focusing on busy professionals who need stress relief? Are you helping parents teach mindfulness to their kids? Are you guiding athletes to improve focus? Or are you working with businesses to help employees perform better? Picking a niche makes it easier to market yourself and stand out. If you try to help everyone, you'll struggle to attract clients. But if you specialize, people will come to you because they know you're the expert in their area. Now, let's talk about learning the skills. You don't need to be a monk or a yoga master to be a mindfulness coach. You just need to understand how meditation works and how to guide people through it. There are tons of free resources online, YouTube videos, podcasts, and articles that can teach you the basics. If you want more structure, you can take an online certification course, but remember, clients care more about results than certifications. If you can help them feel calmer and more focused, they won't ask about your credentials. Once you feel confident, it's time to start coaching. The simplest way to begin is by offering free sessions to friends and family. This helps you practice and get testimonials. Testimonials are powerful because they prove that your coaching works. If someone says, "I used to struggle with anxiety, but after working with you, I feel so much more at peace," that will attract paying clients. Now, let's talk about making money. There are many ways to turn this into a profitable business. The first is one-on-one coaching. You can charge per session or offer a package deal where clients pay for multiple sessions upfront. Some mindfulness coaches charge $50 per session, while others charge $500 or more. It depends on your expertise and the results you deliver. Another way to make money is through group coaching. Instead of coaching one person at a time, you can guide a whole group through mindfulness exercises. This allows you to scale your income because you're helping more people at once. You can also create a membership program where people pay a monthly fee to access guided meditations, live coaching calls, and a private community. If you want passive income, you can create digital products. You can record guided meditations, write an ebook on mindfulness, or create an online course teaching meditation techniques. Once these products are made, you can sell them over and over again without extra work. This is a great way to make money while you sleep. Now let's talk about getting clients. The easiest way is to start with social media. Share mindfulness tips on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Post short meditation clips, breathing exercises, or stress relief hacks. When people see that your advice works, they'll want to work with you. You can also start a blog or YouTube channel where you talk about mindfulness, share personal stories, and answer common questions. The more value you provide, the more people will trust you. Another strategy is partnering with businesses. Companies want employees who are focused and productive, so they're willing to pay for mindfulness programs. Reach out to local businesses and offer a free workshop. Once they see the benefits, they might hire you for ongoing training. One of the best ways to get clients is word of mouth. When you help someone feel less stressed and more in control of their life, they'll tell their friends. Encourage happy clients to leave reviews and share their experiences. You can even create a referral program where they get a discount for bringing in new clients. So what does a typical day look like as a mindfulness coach? You might start by leading a morning meditation session for a group of clients. Then you could have a one-on-one coaching session with someone struggling with stress at work. In the afternoon, you might record a new guided meditation to sell online or write a blog post about overcoming anxiety. The beauty of this business is that you can design it however you like. You can work from home, set your own hours, and choose how many clients you take on. Now, let's address a common fear. What if you're not an expert yet? The truth is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. If you've ever used meditation to calm your mind or improve focus, you already have something valuable to share. The key is to start. The more you coach, the better you'll get. Another concern people have is competition. Yes, there are other mindfulness coaches out there, but that doesn't mean there isn't room for you. People connect with different personalities. Some will relate to your story, your style, and your approach more than anyone else's. Your unique perspective is what makes you stand out. Let's talk about the investment required. The great thing about this business is that startup costs are low. You don't need a physical office, expensive equipment, or a huge marketing budget. All you really need is a computer, an internet connection, and a way to communicate with clients. If you want to invest in a website or some ads to grow faster, you can, but it's not necessary to start. So, let's recap. The world needs mindfulness coaches now more than ever. People are stressed and looking for guidance. Businesses want their employees to perform better. You can start with free resources, build your skills, and gain experience by helping friends and family. You can make money through one-on-one coaching, group programs, digital products, and corporate workshops. You can find clients through social media, word of mouth, and business partnerships. And most importantly, you don't need to be perfect to start, you just need to be willing to help. If you've ever wanted a business that makes a real difference in people's lives while giving you financial freedom, this is it. You get to help people feel happier, calmer, and more in control, all while earning great money. And the best part? You can do it on your own terms. Work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and create a life you love. So, are you ready to start your mindfulness and meditation coaching business? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial freedom tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making idea. This is Fahaam, helping you build your dream life.